All right, so I'm going to show you guys the new updates that we got in Final Cut Pro. We're in 12.3, and one of the updates we got is Auto Mask, which saves me so much time when it comes to my talking head videos, and I just want to put myself in a different background. All I do, right? So say you have your footage in here, right? You're going to go convert it to Rec 709. You're going to go to the magic wand, and now you can see auto mask, right? So we used to have the magnetic mask, which would mask out your subject frame by frame. But with auto mask, right? Go here, select auto mask, and you're going to select people for this particular shot, right? And look at this. All the footage, subject is cut out. And you can also tweak it right here with your sliders to get the mask how you want it. So that not only does it do people, but it does animals. You can do the background. Let's see what it has actually. Let's go back into auto mask. Skin and face, hair, facial hair, mouth, lips, eye, clothing, foreground, and background. But like I said, for this tutorial, we're just going to do people. And that's how easy it is, right? So let's talk about another big update we got. And again, you have to convert your footage to Rec 709. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to go back to the magic wand. And we had match color in previous Final Cut Pros, but got a huge update. And I want to show you this, right? So here's the shot we're going to use. And I use a website called ShotDeck. And it gives you stills from TV shows, films, and all you're going to do is pick the still you want, and you're going to use that as your reference, right? So here's my shot, and here's the still that I chose. And to get the best color match, you're going to want to obviously shoot something that emulates your reference, but you know, I didn't have time to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to match color. You're going to click your reference, and you're just going to go to apply match. And there you go. And if you want to make adjustments, you would just go to match color. And here's all the adjustments it made based off the reference image.